Yes, my friends. Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to drive around Whitby in a 1945 Willys MB Jeep? Well, look at this absolute beauty here. January 1945 Willys MB Jeep, painted in RAF colours, originally used on an RAF military base for transporting aircrew. I've been invited by the owner, Edwin of 1891 venue in Whitby. He's going to take me for a drive around town in it. He's kindly donated a lift to the prom next year in it, to be auctioned at the Whitby Regatta fundraiser gala night that was on Saturday, July the 25th. Imagine arriving in style to your prom in this. Right, let's go. Enjoy the drive. Starting up near Whitby Abbey on the back road that takes you towards Whitby Abbey. And then we're heading to town and have a drive around town. It's absolutely amazing cruising around town in this. Everyone just looks, it gets some attention. People love all the old classic cars, don't they? Great fun driving down in this in summer. I would love one of these. Here we are driving over the iconic Whitby Swing Bridge. It's over 120 years old, this bridge. Been having a few trouble with it lately, with the heat. But the work's been done now, so hopefully it'll be alright for the rest of summer now.
Just
hope you enjoyed that drive round town. Just pulling up outside the Royal Hotel now. I'm going to jump in the 1962 Jaguar E-Type. So that'll be coming up on another video, so I'll take you for a drive round town in that. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And head over to my Facebook page, Whitby Wanderer. You'll see more stuff on there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, check out my other videos. I've got loads of videos on anything to do with Whitby. So there's something for everyone on this channel, so check out my other videos. There's always something going on in Whitby.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a proper one. 1945. It's a late one. It's one of the last ones, yeah.
If I'm wearing that one there, then you come with that. Dreams here. I see somebody having a Sherman tank.
Not tonight. We hadn't got one of them.
Not tonight. Oh, Spitfire to come over.
Yeah.